In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create standard operating procedures in Notion step by step using a simple SOP library structure that you can reuse for any team or business. SOPs are essential if you want consistency, clarity, and scalability in your workflows, and Notion is one of the best tools to build and manage them in one central place. If you're building processes for finance, marketing, sales, or any other department, this setup will save you a ton of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to your SOP library page. This is where all of your standard operating procedures will live. If you don't already have one, you can create a new page and name it SOP Library. This page acts as the main hub for all your documented processes. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the page and type in SOP Library to clearly label it as your main workspace. This helps keep things organized and makes it easy for your team to know exactly where to find procedures. Next, you're going to create a structure for your departments. Start by typing in a department header. You can do this by typing a heading block and labeling it something like Departments or directly naming the first department. Headers are important because they visually separate different areas of your business and make your SOP library easier to scan. Under the header, type in the department name. For example, you might start with Finance. This will be the section where all finance-related SOPs are stored. Repeat this process for other departments like marketing and sales. Now comes the most important part, creating your SOPs. Under each department, start adding individual pages for each standard operating procedure. Each page should represent one clear process, such as invoicing, budget tracking, content publishing, or lead follow-ups. Keep each SOP focused on a single task to avoid confusion. Click on the Finance department and open one of the SOP pages. Inside, add all the relevant information needed to complete that process. This can include a short overview, step-by-step instructions, tools used, links, screenshots, or even embedded videos. The goal is that anyone on your team could follow this SOP without needing extra help. Once you've finished documenting a finance SOP, go back to the main SOP library and click on the marketing department. Just like before, open a marketing SOP and add all relevant information. This could include processes for social media posting, email campaigns, or content approvals. Be as clear and detailed as possible so the process is repeatable every time. Next, click on the sales department. Inside your sales SOPs, document workflows like lead qualification, follow-up sequences, or closing procedures. Consistency here is key, especially if multiple people are involved in sales activities. Continue repeating this process until all of your departments and SOPs are fully documented. Over time, this SOP library becomes a powerful knowledge base that supports onboarding, training, and daily operations. And that's it. You've now learned how to create standard operating procedures in Notion using a clean, scalable SOP library structure. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.